Hello students, today we are going to learn about yoga. Introduction to yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India, aiming to unite the mind and body. The Yoga Sutras of Patanjali were written by sage Patanjali to aid in calming the mind. Yoga has gained global popularity due to its numerous health benefits. The practice of yoga has been promoted worldwide through various initiatives showcasing its health benefits. Detailed summary of yoga. Yoga is a special practice that helps us in many ways. Yoga comes from a very old place called India, and the word yoga comes from a Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join or unite. This means that yoga helps connect our body and mind, making them work together in harmony. A sage named Patanjali wrote down the ideas of yoga a long time ago in a book called the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. It is explained in the book that when we practice yoga, we learn how to focus better and let go of our worries. Many people all around the world have started to practice yoga because it has many wonderful benefits. One important benefit of yoga is that it helps our bodies become stronger and more flexible. When we do yoga postures, which are special body positions called asanas, we stretch our muscles. This stretching makes our muscles more flexible, which helps us move better and feel less pain, especially in places like our lower back. Yoga also teaches us how to breathe properly and to meditate. Breathing techniques help us calm down and feel less stressed and anxious. When we focus on our breath, it relaxes our minds and helps us sleep better. Another great thing about yoga is that it helps our bodies stay healthy by boosting our immune system. It can make our hearts stronger by lowering blood pressure, which is how hard our blood pushes against our veins. When we do yoga, our blood flows better, which is good for our overall health. People who practice yoga can also lose weight. This happens because yoga helps burn calories, which are tiny bits of energy in our food. When we move our bodies in yoga, we can keep our weight healthy and feel good about ourselves. WHOM Yoga. On 20th June 2021, the World Health Organization, WHO, took a big step to help people practice. They launched an app called WHOM Yoga. This app is like a little helper that gives us videos and audio files to teach us how to do yoga. The great thing about yoga is that we can begin at any time. There are no special rules about when we should start. When we practice yoga, we should remember that it is not just about stretching our bodies, our minds must be with us too. Theme and message. The chapter highlights how yoga brings unity between the mind and body, helping them work together in harmony. It also shows how yoga is practiced and recognized all over the world for its many benefits. Yoga is not just about exercise, it supports overall well-being by keeping us physically strong, mentally calm, and emotionally happy. Thanks for learning with us. We will see you in the next video.